Hello, this is Dustin with Diesel Laptops. Today I'm going to show you the Gamber Johnson laptop mounting kit for heavy and medium duty commercial vehicles. Gamber Johnson offers a multitude of different mounting options, including dash and floor mounting kits for the CF30 and 31 laptops, which is perfect for Diesel Laptops customers with any of our laptop kits. Today we're going to go through installation in a 2012 International ProStar. The kit comes with easy to read instructions and can be installed by anyone. For this particular vehicle, the parts you're going to need include the universal mounting kit, the swivel adapter, and the Gamber Johnson docking station for the CF30 and 31. To start your installation, start by removing the two mounting screws and two mounting bolts at the base of the passenger seat, and remove the seat from the vehicle. Next, install the foot bracket to the mounting stand. Next, we want to install the swivel mount adapter to the docking station with the 4 Allen head screws. Next, install the mounting plate into the vehicle, lining up the holes with the existing seat mounting holes. Be sure that the mounting stand holes are facing the inside of the vehicle. Now install the mounting stand into the appropriate holes so that the stand will not interfere with the dash or the passenger seat. Next, reinstall the passenger seat with the original mounting hardware. Now we need to install the stabilizer bar. Find an appropriate mounting stud or nut and install the stabilizer bar so that it will not interfere with driver operation. Install the clamp on the mounting stand to attach the stabilizer bar. Next, slide the swivel adapter and docking station assembly into the mounting stand. Position the assembly for correct viewing and operation angle. Tighten the center bolt of the assembly to the mounting stand to secure it in place. To install your laptop on the docking station, open the docking cover on the rear of the laptop and position the laptop on the stand. Pull the lever to engage the docking station. To find out more about the mounting options for your particular vehicle, call into our sales team at 888-983-1975 and find out how we can help you get your vehicle set up with a Gamber Johnson mounting system.